Hi! Welcome to my channel. I purchased this lamp camp in the thrift store. I'm going to use some leftover Christmas ornaments from Hobby Lobby around it. With this vintage paper from Temu, I'm going to decorate the front center. This is going to be the guide of the vintage shabby chic look that I want to give to this cap. I'm going to use some Mud Podge mixed with water to glue the paper to the cap. Make sure you fill the edges and the top of the paper also. Now, I'm going to use hot glue to paste the Christmas ornaments in each division of the cap. To cover the ring, I'm going to paste this fabric ribbon from Dollar Tree around the bottom of the cap. Purchased this beautiful fabric lace with roses at Temu, and I'm going to paste in the big flat spaces. I am in love with this beautiful lace that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to glue it around the cap and the top, all around it. Using a pink ribbon, I'm going to tie this elegant vintage key that I purchased at Hobby Lobby for $2.50. Also, I'm going to paste these beautiful roses from Walmart and this shabby chic ribbon to give it more elegance. Also, I'm going to glue some pearls in the middle of the flowers and around the lamp cap. Thanks for watching the video to the end. You are the best of the best. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. That helps me so much. Also, you can share so more people can be part of my YouTube family. I'm so excited to see you again soon. Kisses and hugs. Bye.